Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And just a quick video for you guys today. This is going to be my submission to Potti314's 500th video giveaway. And first of all, Potti, that's an awesome accomplishment, huge milestone. Yeah, I hope you continue making awesome videos. I really enjoy your content, and you always have something really cool to watch. But this is a Vero. My uncle gave me this quite a while back, and I think that this is the first lock that I've ever picked with spools in it. I've had two Veros around here, and they are both the same, so I'm not sure which is which. But either way, this is going to be my my lock that I'm going to submit with. Actually, after I'm done submitting, I might drill these out and make a challenge lock out of it. But it's a 5-pinner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it works pretty good. And there you can see it's locked up. And I believe this lock has 5 spools in it. Because I think we start off in a bit of a false set, and I think we get counter rotation off every pin. So let's just go and see what we can do. Like I said, one's giving us counter rotation right away. Got it set. Got 2 set. Got 3 set. Might have dropped something. We'll come back and check. Counter rotation off 4. Definitely dropped something. 3. And 5. Okay. And let's see, 1 still set, 2. Counter rotation. I think this lock picks different every time you pick it, but there it is picked. As you can see. And I'll lock it back up, and I believe I just have to show that it still works. Looking through the camera lens. Yeah, it still works, of course. And you know what, just for the hell of it, I'm going to pick it again. See if it picks any different this time. Counter rotation on 1 again. Got it set. 2. Got it set. 3. Might have overset. 4. 5. And back to 3. And we're open. So there you can see. Lock it back up, and of course it still works. There we go. Vero. Made in Italy. Hardened shackle, onyx springs. And there we go. That's my submission for Potti314's 500th video giveaway. Congrats again, my friend. And I think I'm going to go drill these out. Alright guys, have a great day, and as always, don't pick locks that don't belong to you or that you don't have permission to pick. Yeah, see you guys in the next one. Take care.